Greetings everyone, Max is back with you on the MS Workshop channel. Today we'll have another test of the Ontario Rate 1.5 in the MagnaCut steel. In previous out-of-the-box tests it showed 13 cuts. Currently it's sharpened at an angle of 20 degrees per side with a 120 grit finish per the GS standard. Let's see how many cuts it can make and how it performs with this kind of sharpening. Out of the box, as those who watched the video remember, the grind work was done at a very mediocre level. The bevels were not uniform. Given the blade length, this is quite significant. Plus there was a recurve, it's still there now, but I tried to remove it a bit and level the bevels out a little. After a couple of sharpenings, I think the bevels will be fully leveled, but for now it is what it is. Let's move on to the rope tests. As a reminder, we're cutting a 1-inch jute rope. I'm just clamping it a little bit with some masking tape, simply to help hold this bundle of rope more tightly together. Test. It cuts through thin newsprint just fine without any snagging at all. 50 cuts, that is already, well, 4.5 to 5 times. Roughly an increase in the number of cuts, and that is just from changing the factory edge. So the steel is performing quite well. Let's keep on testing. "65 cuts. Now let us take a look. This is a paper test. It is catching in some places, but only very slightly so, at least officially speaking, and not in a way that is particularly noticeable. The Ontario Rate MagnaCut version 1.5 managed to make an impressive total of 65 cuts. It was carefully sharpened at a precise 20-degree angle with a 120 grit finish according to the JIS standard. This is a very good result for such a small and compact knife. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask them in the comments. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.